Today I want to talk about this fantastic little 3D print that I downloaded and printed the other day. Um, it's it's a brilliant piece of engineering. It uses magnets and the tubing that you use on a 3D printer um, to achieve a basically the equivalent of a peptide pen. Um, you load the syringe here, and as soon as you touch it, it snaps it into your skin. Why is this good? Poking the needle into your skin is the painful part, and most people hesitate, and that's where some pain and discomfort and even bruising comes from. By snapping it in, I would say honestly, I can honestly say I either don't feel it at all or barely feel it. Super simple to use. I've already got the syringe loaded in there, decap it, and we're going to put it on and snap it into place. The second massive advantage to this is that currently I am trying to inject here near a tendon. This tendon here is angry, and so I'm doing systemic injections of the Anella or Glow protocol. You know, the names that a lot of people use different names. GHKCU, BPC, and TB mixed together. But for this, I'm using the BPC for localized injection. Anella has found good evidence that that helps in repair. And so you do a systemic injection of the 3 peptides and then a localized injection of the BPC or BPC and TB mix right here. I don't want to touch the tendon though. It's not medically threatening to do that, but it would be painful. And so this lets me get an exact low depth without risk of hitting the tendon. And I can hold it in any direction that I want. Look at that. And then, of course, pull it out the same way. And that one, I can honestly tell you, I did not feel. If it wasn't for the fact that there isn't fluid all over my arm, I'd never know that that needle went in.